Hello everyone, I'm here today to make a smoothie, but strawberry smoothie, blue and mixed with blueberry and banana. We have the blueberry here, we have the strawberry here. This is what we need to do. We're doing this smoothie without any artificial flavor, any artificial ingredients, which is basically we're talking about sugar, milk, or cream. But this is antioxidant smoothie that is good to build your immunity. It is really good. You can add a little bit of water. I add in, then you can blend it together. This is really natural way of doing fruit smoothie. Let's Yeah, it might be too thick, sometimes you might add water to it, but let me open it and check it. Let's check the texture, whether it's really wet or really thick. It seems to me it looks okay, nice color, and it's ready to drink. This is a really nice smoothie to cool the day. So it looks like it's really smoothie, natural one. Tastes delicious, palatable. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you can make this at home too. Yeah, this is the essence of doing this. Have a great day, guys.